Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the parish of Clarendon. We are driving through Clarendon Park and we are on the Maypen Bypass Road, and we are driving through Clarendon Park. Now Clarendon Park is most popular for two establishments. One is Murray's restaurant, and that's coming up on the right, and the other one is the head office for Juicy Patties, is located in Clarendon Park. Now Clarendon Park is on the border between the parish of Clarendon and Manchester. So on the right here now is a Cool Oasis gas station. And then coming up now is the famous Murray's. That's it on the right. They sell jerk chicken. Official name is Murray's Fish and Jerk Hut, but they sell fish. It's very popular for jerk chicken and curry goat. We're going to go with some train lines now. However, the train doesn't operate on those lines anymore. Not yet, at least. Well, they used to, but that train service closed down. Okay, so on the left now is the Juicy Patties head office, and also they have a store, a location. Okay. There's a plaza on the left. So we're now going to be heading into Porus. And we're driving out of Clarendon Park now. So somewhere along this road is the border between the parish of Clarendon and Manchester. So we're heading out of Clarendon Park and driving towards Porus. Porus is a small town in between Maypen, the town of Maypen, and the town of Mandeville. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.